Hello everyone, in this video we will learn the basic terminology in data interpretation or the terms that you will frequently come across in DI sets based upon percentages and ratios. It is also going to help you a lot in time, speed, distance, profit and loss, and simple interest and compound interests. So let us start. So the first term is change. So change means just the difference. Like if you have the data for a few years with you, year 1, year 2, year 3 and year 4, which will be 10, 20, 30 and 40. Let this be the population of some town. So what is the change between population from year 1 to year 2? It is 10 because the value is increasing from 10 to 20. So the difference is the change, which is 10. Similarly for these 2 years, the change is 10. If I ask you for these 2 years, then the change is 20 to 40, which is 20. Because 40 minus 20 gives you 20, so the change is 20 between year 2 and year 4. Now the next term is percentage change. So the percentage change is given by final value minus initial value upon initial value into 100. So if you have to find out the percentage change in population from year 1 to year 2, then how to do it? The final value is 20 in year 2, the initial value in year 1 was 10 upon initial value into 100. So this gives you 100%. So the change in population from year 1 to year 2 is 100%. Now the next term is change in percentage change. So again we have a change. Change means just the difference. So we have to find out the difference in percentage change. Now the percentage change between these 2 years was 100%. If you have to find out the percentage change between year 2 and year 3, then it would be the final minus initial value, which is 10 upon initial value, which is 20 into 100. So 50%. So the percentage change between these 2 years is 100% and these 2 years it is 50%. So what is the difference in percentage change? So the difference between 100 and 50 is simply 50. So the change in percentage change between these 2 years is 50. The next term is percentage change in percentage change. Now in year 1 to year 2, the percentage change was 100%, and from year 2 to year 3, the percentage change was 50%. Now we have to find out the percentage change in percentage change. So here the final value will be 50, the initial will be 100. So putting this in the formula, we get final minus initial upon initial into 100. So this gives us around 50% negative. So whenever there is a negative percentage change, then there's always a percentage decrease, and whenever there is a positive percentage change, then it is an increase. Let's go through a few more terms. So now we have percentage increase. So whenever the final value is greater than the initial value, there will always be a positive percentage change, and I have told you that positive percentage change means increase. The next term is percentage decrease. So whenever the final value is less than initial value, then there's a negative percentage change, which means it is a decrease. The next term is successive percentage increase, which means multiple percentage increases in a value. For example, if I ask you to increase 10 successively by 1 and then by 2, then what would you do? You will simply increase 10 by 1 first, which gives you 11. Then again you would increase it by 2, which gives you 13. And similarly, if I ask you to increase 10 by successive percentage increase of 10 and 20%, then what would you do? You will first increase 10 by 10%. So how to do it? You have to increase 10 by 10%, which gives you 11. Then you have to increase this 11 by 20%. So how to do it? You have to add 20% of 11 into 11. So 11 plus 20% of 11, which gives you 13.2. So if you increase 10 successively by 10% and 20%, then you get 13.2. The next term is successive percentage decrease. So again, if I ask you to decrease 10 by 1 and 2 successively, then what would you do? You would first decrease 10 by 1, which gives you 9. Then you would again decrease the new value by 2, which gives you 7. So similarly, if I ask you to decrease 10 by 10% and then 20%, then you would first decrease 10 by 10%. How to do it? You have to decrease 10 by 10%, which gives you 9. Then you have to again decrease the new value, which is 9, by 20%. So how to do it? 9 minus 20% of 9, which gives you 7.2. I hope you have understood all these terms. Now let us solve a few questions on this. The following data refers to the total estimated population of two towns X and Y over a period of 6 years from 1999 to 2005. So these are the towns, these are the years till 2005, and these are the populations of these towns. So the first question is, find the percentage increase or decrease in the population of the town X during the period 1999 to 2001. Now in 1999 the value is 1000, and in 2001 the population of town X is 1100. So initial value is 1000, final is 1100. So percentage change will be final minus initial upon initial into 100, which gives us a percentage increase of 10%. Now this change is positive, so this is a percentage increase. Hence the correct answer is D. Let's go to the next question. Find the decrease in the population of town X during the period 2000 to 2001. Now in 2000 the population of town is 1200, and in 2001 it is 1100. So the value is decreasing, hence this is a decrease. So here we need to find the decrease, not the percentage decrease. So what is the decrease? The value has decreased by 100. Let's go to the next question. Find the approx absolute change in the percentage change of population over the years 2003 to 4 and 2004 to 5. So what is the percentage change between these 2 years? So final minus initial upon initial into 100, which is around 15% and negative percentage change. And in this case, this is for the town X. The change will be, it is again a decrease, so change upon initial value into 100, which is around 17.64%, and this will be negative. Now we have to find out the approx absolute change. So change means the difference, and while calculating the difference we never pay any attention to the sign. So we simply have to find the difference between these two, which is around 2.64, and we have been asked the approx absolute change, so this is approximately equal to 3, hence this will be the correct answer. Let's solve the last one. Find the ratio of percentage change of population in town X between 2000 to 2002 to the percentage change of population in town Y between 2003 to 5. Now in town X between 2000 to 2002, the population has increased from 1200 to 1500, and in town Y between 2003 to 5 the population has gone down from 7500 to 6000. So since the value is decreasing here, it is a decrease, and the value is increasing here, so this is an increase. So the percentage change here will be 300 upon initial into 100, so this will be 25%, and here it will be change upon initial into 100, which is around 20%. So the ratio between percentage changes will be 25 upon 20. So this gives us 5/4. So all these questions were based upon the terms that we just learned. So now let us solve a few questions based upon these. Thank you.